You see, I'm not using an integration. I'm not using another video editor. I'm not using anything else. I'm communicating directly to Claude, the content factory. This is the system right here. 5 steps. That's the method. As simple as that. Put your files in one folder, in one drive. Google, Ignite, Dropbox, I don't care. Doesn't matter. All of it, dump it into one organized folder. Give the AI access to that folder. In my case, I went to Claude in this case. Sometimes Claude drives me crazy. Some days I love it. Some days I want to break the computer.
It's just technology, bruv. You gotta be patient.
So be patient with the technology. It drives me crazy sometimes, but it is wild. Mark my words, 2026. We're moving in a direction in which integrations are no longer going to be necessary because Claude and OpenAI and Gemini and Grok are all going to be able to do it better than the actual tools themselves. So much so that the tools are getting upset. They're getting upset because Claude is able to do video editing now better than some of these tools are able to do. Number 3, you want to hand it the brand, the colors, the fonts, the logos, not make it look premium, the actual codes of your fonts and your colors as best as possible. If you don't have them, it has been also equally effective to give them your website and have them reverse engineer the actual codes of your website so you can have the branding of the website itself. For example, I can actually have it go to ajmacy.com and pull out the actual hex codes and the actual colors and font and everything from the website and make content based on that. That way it makes it simple. You don't even have to give it the logo. It can pull that from your existing assets. Number 4, say what you want and what you don't. The don't list is what separates usable output from garbage. Make sure you're very crystal clear on what you want and what you don't want. You have to be able to communicate exactly what are your likes and what are your dislikes. Because like some people, I don't know, some people hate cabbage, some people love it. I hate cabbage. I don't know about you. It's the same mouth. I got the same body that you have. You might love it. I hate it, right? So the looks, the taste, the flavor of it, it's on your universe. AI is not going to know that. So you have to be able to communicate that value that you want and the value that you don't want. The better that you communicate it, the more that you avoid wasting money on tokens, number 1. And number 2, AI slop. I completely disagree that there's such a thing as AI slop. There's you slop. Absolutely you slop. When you work really hard at it, you're going to have beautiful assets. I can tell you, my websites took me a lot of time. ajmagency.com, tomcummins.world, manuelsuarez.com. They're masterpieces. They weren't masterpieces until I put enough energy in the wants and don't wants of it. So you got to keep that in mind. And then number 5, make you show you one before it makes 50 of them. Once you really are able to approve one of them and you feed it and you tell it what you like and you don't want, it's a beautiful thing what's going to be able to produce over and over for you. Here's a communication that I gave it 5 minutes before starting our call today. 5 minutes. Go and type in the folder and find one powerful clip. This is full of typos, by the way. As you can see, it doesn't matter. Find a version of Manuel delivering a seminar in one of these buildings. Take that video clip, that one video, announce the correct date for your city. If it's in France, put French subtitles, burn into the video. You see, I'm not using an integration. I'm not using another video editor. I'm not using anything else. I'm communicating directly to Claude. Okay, good. So let's check out one example of what it did. Okay, Paris. I'm doing a seminar called From Purpose to Power, and it's showing how I'm actually talking to people, engaging. It put the French translations in, and then it's showing me interact with other people, right? And delivering seminars and my partners and the packed audiences and so on. It's pretty darn impressive, right? Just like that. What did I do other than give it a communication with a folder full of content? That's all I did. And it did it on every single one of the videos. It did in every single one of them. This is, I think it's Castellano, by the way. What I've been doing is I've been giving it to some of the people that I'm actually going with, and I'm actually having them qual the language. So far, they've been approving 100% what it produces. And just like that, I even got the Hungarian version right here. Check that out. Hungarian subtitles. It has the exact date. I'm gonna be there 2026, September 11th. If I wanna take it to the next step, what do? I can go over here and I can say, okay, great, help me build this into a marketing campaign on Facebook. So I can target the people in the Budapest city, 20 miles around this location. And if I can set a request like that, it's going to now get it all built out on Meta. I just showed you the simplicity of it. As long as you have the Meta ads connected, the MCP, the Model Context Protocol, you'll be able to go from content creation to running some ads and getting some leads generated. You are already in the top 0.1%. Just by being here, just by being a part of this team, just by being a part of this community, you are already in the top 1%. Everybody's talking about AI. Rarely anybody is using it correctly or to the utmost of its capability. Rarely. I'm not using it to the utmost of my capability, and that's what drives me crazy. You are already the cream of the crop in the era of AI. It feels like everybody's talking about it. It feels like it's late in the game, but we're just getting started.